That's what we do. That's what we do.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
That's what we
do.
Woo!
The Buffalo Bill. The Expo. The Expo. The Expo. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be doing Cook With Us feet meal. As y'all seen by the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know what we're about to do. New here, welcome. If you've been here, welcome back. So yeah, let's get into this.
Yeah, we finna cook gang. Yeah. It's gonna be good as fuck. And y'all better not talk about my shit.
Period.
But it's gonna be good as fuck. Cause that's what we do.
That's what we do. That's what we do.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
That's what we
do.
Woo!
Okay, y'all. So we back. Well, I'm back. She over there doing something she ain't been doing, but we got the grease going for the for the chicken or whatever. So yeah, we finna sit y'all down and see what we're working with. But I think we finna make the dip for her. The buffalo dip. Alright.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We gone for a year only.
So we back and we finna show y'all how we make the buffalo dip. The inspo that you seen leg clip.
Yeah.
She over here trying to kill the news. So, yo, this finna do time lapse. How you open these? Oh.
Wait a damn minute, cause you fucking up. Frank. I'm hit you.
Alright.
Gotta help you, y'all, cause she ain't.
He say that I'm good enough, got him out there. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know.
Cool. But we just put the buffalo dip in the oven or whatever. We finna do our honey hot wings. That's right, honey hot wings. Yeah.
We couldn't do
Okay, y'all. So we back and we didn't put a lot of stuff on the camera. We did not put a lot of stuff on the camera, but just you know. So right now, Mia is cutting up the cucumbers and the ham and
Why
stuff.
you turned it like that? Why you just didn't turn the camera?
I can't.
Why? You can't do that in video?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you explaining.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just saying, like, you have to turn the camera, you just explain,
Mhm.
then you could have just put it on me, just couldn't.
Mhm.
So, okay, you do like that. Oh, you gonna egg out?
Look what she want to do on the break.
Throat break.
But the last clip, y'all, I just the last clip I show y'all all her, well, just made her social media she had mainly be on.
Bitch, I ain't know. I don't talk.
And
Got social network.
what? Anti-social network. Oh my goodness. Subscribe.
I appreciate y'all for following my dear cousin. She's just the sweetest that she can be.
back. And some of the chicken done, some of it not. Our pasta salad done. The buffalo is dip is done. But I'm finna show y'all how to get the chicken look for right now. And y'all can hear in the background. It's
you can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just select.